This Nintendo 64 power supply was bad, so I'm going to fix it. That big capacitor was starting to get puffy, so I'm going to desolder it and solder in a new one. I fixed this guy's 64 console a while back. He brought it back in and said it wasn't turning on, so I hooked it up to my power supply and it did turn on. I was expecting him to have a third-party power supply or something, but he actually had an official Nintendo one, so I don't see these fail too often. But his was bad, because when I plugged it in with his power supply, it didn't turn on. So he ended up trading in the broken one for some credit to put towards one of our power supplies. The broken one that he traded in is the one that I'm fixing here. After I replaced the capacitor, I put it in the bottom shell to make sure it was going to fit, because the capacitor I used was just a little bit taller. It was hitting just ever so slightly against the top, so I had to go back in and heat it up and push it down a little bit further. I've been doing repairs for almost 5 years now, and I've seen a few dozen 64 and GameCube customers come back with video issues or power issues, and almost every time it's just that they're using a third-party power supply. By the way, if you've been following my 64 cartridge repair series, I'm working on editing episode 2 right after this, so I'm hoping to have it out in the next day or two. Alright, there we go. We fixed another power supply, and it's got a better than stock capacitor in it now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.